welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to Airbnb a room in your house. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you can see on the screen there are options like explore, wish list, trips, messages and profile. Go to profile. Under profile you can see there's an option saying Airbnb a place. You just have to select it, then scroll down and tap on Airbnb setup. You have to tap on create a new listing. Once you do that, you have to tap on get started and tap on next. Now on the screen you can see which of the place you want to Airbnb. Select house. Once you select house, you can see you can select a room right below an entire place. Once you do that, tap on next. Then they're gonna ask you a series of questions. You just have to answer them and tap on let's get started. Well, that's it. That's how you Airbnb a room in your house. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.